Okay, friends, we are on this HSK Standard Course 1 workbook on page 6, 7, and 8. So later I will play this audio here, so listen carefully.
5. 听录音，写出听到的韵母并朗读。
Listen to the recording, write down the finals you hear, and read the syllables aloud.
1. 门 2. 山 3. 熊 4. 用 5. 双 6. 想 7. 心 8. 唱 9. 能 10. 困 11. 风 12. 零 13. 关 14. 远 15. 换 16. 手 17. 船 18. 床 19. 先 20. 9.
So next I will play this audio 2-5.
6. 听录音，写出听到的声调并朗读。
Listen to the recording, add the tone marks you hear, and read the syllables aloud.
1. 周 2. 面 3. 饭 4. 菜 5. 能 6. 站 7. 场 8. 手 9. 水 10. 轻 11. 省 12. 黄 13. 红 14. 蓝 15. 热 16肉17茶18想19操20算
So next we'll go to this 7 here, part 7. 看图片，选择正确的对话。Match the pictures with the dialogues. So this is the first picture. So if you see carefully this one, they are like business persons. So number 1 is they are greeting each other. So if you can see page number 7, so it's called 你好你好 So they are greeting each other. So picture 1 is for the number 4. And then this is a second pictures. So one person send gift to the other, and then the other is receiving the gift. So they are basically the dialogue is thank you and you are welcome. So this one second picture is on number 1. So this A is 谢谢你 and then B 不客气谢谢你 is thank you 不客气 you are welcome. And then the third picture, so this is a third picture. So third picture basically is saying goodbye. So saying goodbye is 再见 So it's this one 再见再见 So they are saying goodbye. 再见 is goodbye. So the third pictures is on number 2. And then the fourth picture, so we left this one. So they are the colleagues. So they are one person is saying sorry, and then the other person is saying fine. So it's 对不起 sorry 没关系 so that's fine meaning. So is the fourth pictures is on number 3. So this is number 3. And next part 8 汉字 Chinese characters. So number 1描写每组汉字中相应的笔画 Trace the corresponding stroke in each pair of characters. So if you see this one, we are learning these 3 new strokes here. So 横折竖折 and then the other one 竖钩 So for 横折 so if you see carefully 横折 so this one is a horizontal stroke with a vertical turn. And then the next one 竖折 so this one 竖折 is a vertical stroke with a horizontal turn to the right. And then we have this final one 竖钩 So this one 竖钩 vertical stroke with a hook. So I will use a special pen. So this is the brush pen to write it. So this is 横折横折 So this one 横折横折横折 and this one is slightly longer for the vertical stroke 横折横折横折 and number 2 so this is 竖折竖折竖折竖折竖折 and then this one 竖折竖折 so you need to practice to familiar with the stroke. So 竖折 树者. And then the third one, 树钩, 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 树钩. And then number 2, 看笔顺写读体字. So look at the stroke order and practice writing the single component characters. So there are these, we have this character, this called 口, mouth. So there are around 3 strokes here. So the first one, first, second, and the third. So I will write 3 times. First, second, third. First, second, third. And then we go to page number 8. So this one is called 剑, C. So there are around 4 strokes here. So the first one, second, third, and then the final one. So first, second, third, and the final one. First, second, third, and the final one. And then we have this one, 山. So this mountain. So 3 strokes. So the first one is a vertical one. So vertical, 树者. And then the final stroke. So number 1, number 3, number 2, and number 3. So number 1, number 2, and number 3. And then this one, 小, small. So in the middle. And then the dot. So first, second, and the third stroke. First, second, and the third stroke. And then final one, 不, meaning no. So there are 4 strokes here. So horizontal, 撇, vertical, and a dot. So horizontal, 撇, vertical, and a dot. So you can finish all the others grids here. So that's it for today. So before I end this video, basically you can go to the description below to download this book. So this is free. So I will minimize this a bit. So this is a free version of the ebook. So you can have a chance to learn this 100 most common Chinese character. So this free ebook is written by me. And then you can go to see its quick guide here. Quick guide, and then you can join my diagram robot here. And then with this grid, you have this pinyin, and then we have the radical and the strokes, the total number of the strokes for this character. And then we have this English definition. So there are around 100 characters here. So if you want to explore more Learn Chinese book, you can always visit this URL here. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can always subscribe here. And you can watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there is a link you can click to join my diagram robot that I developed.